today I just want to explain you how to do the simple material balance. For the problem is the given the flow rate of the components, recovery ratio, and the percentage of the C4s in distillate. What's the distillate and residue? This is our the column. We have feed, we have the bottom product and the top product. The bottom product called residue and the top product called the distillate. For our given it's C. Okay, we will assume that the light key is C3 and heavy key is ISO C4, and this is the flow rate, the flow rate of the components which is inside the feed. And if it's the ideal distillation, it means from C3 it will go to distillate, and from heavy key it will go to residue. But we have our specifications that the C3 recovery of CC is 95%, and the C4 cut in distillate it's just 8%. That's why we will continue to our material balance. First of what we have to find, the amount of the components in distillate and residue. We will do, for example, we know that there is no possibility to go C3 and C3 with double bond to go to residue, because in our specification it doesn't give. That's why we will assume that all of them will go to distillate. 0.8 and 8 it's for distillate. And also we have the specifications that 95% of the C3 it's in distillate and 5% is in residue. It means this is around 161.5 is in distillate, and the 8.5 is in residue. But we know that we don't have ethane and propene in the residue. For the rest, we have specification that 8% of all the distillate is C4s. It means it's easy way of the calculation. We know all the components of the distillate. We can easily find it, and you will calculate it, because I have no place here to calculate. That's why I will put the ready one. And from here we know that we have the component of the distillate and the residue and distillate. Now from here we can easily find the rest of the components that we have. It's around 150. Now we found the components in residue and the distillate. Now we're gonna do we have to find now the cut point and separation line. This is for you the ready drawing, and here this one is the separation line and this one is the cut point. From here we can see that how much the amount of ISO C4 and normal C4 in distillate, and how much propane in residue. 8.5 amount of the C3 in residue we can see from here, and 14.8 this is the amount of ISO C4 and normal C4 in distillate we can see from here. Thank you for your attention.